Exposing the dinosaur in your spray booth. Why are you still using doors that belong in the Jurassic era? Remember those massive cell phones from the 90s? Yeah, no one wants to lug that around anymore. So why would you want doors that take up half your floor space? Introducing our compact spray booth doors. These babies fold up above the door opening, leaving your floor space free and clear. It's like the Marie Kondo of doors, sparking joy and saving space. Picture this. You can add more booths, design with freedom, and even use them as partitions. No more wrestling with bulky doors, just sleek, efficient awesomeness. Don't let outdated doors cramp your style. Upgrade to our compact spray booth doors today, because sometimes bigger isn't better, smarter is. Your clients will thank you for it. Why settle for bulky when you can have brilliance? Try our compact spray booth doors now.